Moad says, so like moved all the way to China to study CS. So is there any chance I can continue my master's in AI? You can do whatever you like, Moad. It's just, do you really like this stuff, right? But don't live in fear of AI. Don't live in fear just because, oh, I'm going to be replaced, the job market's going to suck. Well, that's no way to live. Do something that you enjoy. And if you enjoy it and you're really passionate about it, then the jobs will come, right? Good things will come your way. That's what I would tell you, Moed. Vinu, welcome. Chevy, nice to see you. 3870. Corleone 90. What a name. What a name. Yassine, welcome. Abdella, Hamza. Um, So Art Style. Oh, I like that name. So Art Style. I like it. Don Salazar says, thanks, man. Yeah, Don, I hope that helps you. Like I said, anybody is welcome to click on the link for my career coaching. It's completely free. But my digital twin has been trained to help you just in the same way that I would help you in a one-on-one. If for those of you guys that don't know, I don't sell courses. I don't sell you any of that crap that the idiot influencers do. From my own experience, I coach people one-on-one. I have a great set of professionals that I work with. I have a group me where everybody comes together as a community. Because if you come to me for coaching, you're probably of like mind. So I have everybody in the same group. So we have group discussion, we have one-on-one discussions with me. I send out articles, I check in with everybody every single Friday. And it's really just like an all-around coaching service that can help you with anything that you want. So if you guys want more information on that, click on the link in your chats. Be happy to help you if you're interested. Khadija, welcome. Ola, nice to see you. Kumar, Temporary Sammy? Temporary Sammy. That's an interesting name. Um, Sala, nice to see you. 43. Johnny Rocks Harder. Okay. Okay, a little bit of a weird name. Mr. the Creator says, try the game, should be fun. Okay, yeah. You know what? I haven't even looked. Okay, guys. Eat the food. How's that for instructions? Eat the food, don't hit the walls. It gives a little pad, but I think I'm going to use my keyboard pads over here. Okay, so every input is okay, guys. So don't laugh at me if I suck at this game. All right, the inputs have been mixed around. So let me start. Oh gosh, dang it! I lost already. Okay, up.